Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Bree, and today we're going to be doing a one brand tutorial using only Too Faced, one of my favorite brands, but we're going to get into that in just a second. So if you guys are new, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I created this soft kind of vibe, this look, and I'm going to be using some of their new products, some of my holy grail staple products from them. So if you guys are interested on seeing this glam from Too Faced, then let's go ahead and hop right on it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the skin first. I'm going to start off with the Hangover primer, and I'm going to be using some of the new products from the Too Faced X Erika Jayne collection, which I think that collection is so cute. So first product I'm going in with is the Hangover primer. It definitely is hydrating, and it's more of like a moisturizer. So just pump a little bit. It smells like coconuts, and it has a little bit of coconut water in here as well. So it definitely just feels like a moisturizer, but it also gets like a little bit of a tacky feel as well. So it definitely feels like it's gonna do something for the foundation. Like it definitely sticks to the skin and adheres really nicely. Once I have that on, I'm gonna go in with foundation. This is the Born This Way foundation. Mine is in the color Natural Beige. I absolutely love this foundation, you guys. It is so good. I rave about it in my favorite foundation video. My self tan is like fading right now, so it may match me just fine, but we'll see. You guys know I've been using Too Faced forever. It is one of my favorite brands. Everywhere from packaging with the brand to the actual product itself is just A+. Like they just kill it every time. I absolutely love them. And a lot of their products have like scents to them too, if you weren't aware. By the way, this is not sponsored at all. Honestly, genuinely love them and love the products that I use. So if you aren't aware, their products actually do smell like certain things, that they're infused with either cocoa powder, so it smells like chocolate, or it's infused with a like vanilla cookie, so it smells like a cookie. So they're all different kind of scents. Like they have the peach collection, which smells like peaches. So I think that's really cool and something like different about the brand that I love. So that's amazing. I have like a little bit of a rash happening right here, so if you see something happening, I don't know. I wore a necklace, so I'm not really sure what's going on, but that's that. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This concealer is my favorite. I am gonna be using the concealer shade as well as the contouring shade, so we're gonna play around with which ones I can use for contouring, but for the underneath section of my eye, I'm going with light beige. So I'm gonna put it right underneath my eyes and a little into my cheek area, little of my chin, cupids, nose, and right here. And while I have this on still, I'm gonna take a little bit of, let's see, maple. I did a whole video on these as well, so I can't remember which one I used in that video to contour. And cocoa seems really deep, but I think I used this one and I think it ended up working. So let me just put a dot, and then if I have to mix with another color, I will. Like it's definitely deep. So combination of both of the concealer and the foundation together, the Born This Way, stunning. Like seriously makes my skin look so healthy and so good. And then I always use like the butt of the beauty blender from the leftover foundation and just seamlessly blend in the edges together so they just blend nicely. Super lightly, because I'm not sure if this color is the one I'm gonna still stick with. I think that color actually ended up working well, and I believe that is the one that I used in the concealer video when I swatched them all. I always go back in with, because this looks crazy, I always go back in with the beauty blender and like blend underneath it and over it and everything, so don't worry. The beginning phases always look crazy. This is it all blended. I love the coverage. Like it's just one of those concealers I always go to now. Like I'm obsessed. So to set the under eyes, I'm taking the Peach Perfect powder, one of my favorite loose powders from them. So it does have a little bit of a scent of peach. I'm gonna cut it underneath here a little bit. I'm just gonna dust that away. I always like to do it pretty quickly. You can leave it on for longer, but I just like to remove fast because to me it can look a little bit drying underneath everywhere. So for also underneath the eyes, I'm taking the banana cream powder and I'm just gonna tap a little bit underneath my eyes, just right here, just to brighten it a little. Taking my trusty bronzer, this is the Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. I seriously am obsessed. I'm gonna take a little bit on this angled brush here to chisel it a little bit more and deepen it up. So I'm gonna leave the face just like this for now. We're gonna hop into the eyes. So I'm going in with the Pretty X Erika Jayne palette. This is super pretty packaging, like so stunning. These are the shades. I am so obsessed. So I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the Born This Way concealer quickly and apply it to my eyes as a base. I'm gonna start by using the color Close Off, which is a cream color. And I'm just gonna pat that down on the whole lid, just to set down what we have. I'm taking this color right here, Show and Tell, and I'm just gonna run that into my crease, like so. Kind of swishing it on the full lid though as well, like as I blend. These are my go-to colors, so I already know I'm gonna like this palette. The pigment already looks amazing. And it's blending out super well. Go with Rich is Better. And put that on the outer section. This from inner to outer, just kind of diffusing it. And then blending again. Going back in with that deepest color as well, mixing it with this deep brown on this flat brush and running that underneath. And blending the rest of this together with that same color Show and Tell we used earlier, just to blend all of this together so it flows evenly, but we still have that deeper color on the outer corner. Lap of Luxury, which is like a pretty pale pink, and I'm going to apply this on my lid, just kind of pressing it with my finger to like the inner third portion of my lid and just gently rubbing it into the middle and blending this together. Take a little bit of the shimmer color down here, Sex Extravagant. I'm going to run that a little bit on my brow. There's a little bit of glitter to it, but I'm just gently pressing very lightly. I actually really like this palette. The colors are very blendable and pigmented. I think that's amazing. So we're gonna put that off to the side. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of liner, which is a shock because I don't always use liner, we know that, but I'm going in with the Better Than Sex liner. This is the Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Has a very nice felt tip on the top. So we're gonna do a little bit of a wing, a baby one probably, because we don't really wear wings. So hopping back into the face really quick, I'm going in with this Pineapple Sun. This is the strobing bronzer. It also has a little bit of like a highlighter effect to it. Goes on the skin great. Love it. Gonna spritz up my face right now with the Hangover 3-in-1 spray. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the new highlighter. This is by the Erika Jayne collection as well. This Money Honey High Impact Highlighter. Super cute, pretty pigmented as well. So while I have my lashes drying off to the side, I'm just gonna hop into doing some lower mascara first. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. Obviously, it is so good, but you guys, look at this packaging on this one. It was like a limited edition. Can we just put the diamonds real quick? Like, yes. Best with the packaging on this one. Like, I never want to get rid of it. I'm going to always keep this tube, literally always save it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to the bottoms first. So just hopping back into that liner, I'm gonna just apply a little bit to the roots right here just to blend in and make sure it's all seamless. I love to do that. Even on days when I'm not wearing a wing or any type of liner, it just makes it adhere and look better. So, and then going in with that mascara one more time just to coat the false ones with mine. So going in for lips, we're gonna try out this one right here. This is the Polite Lips. And I just love the packaging. Everything's like warning and just like, I don't know, explicit, I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. It's like a lip kit. So we got a liner and then we got a little bit of a lip gloss with a little bit of shimmer, which is cool. So we're going with the Too Faced Sunday Funday lip color. This is their peach one, I believe, but it's a nude color, which is beautiful. Smells just like peaches. Once I have that on my lips, it's a beautiful nude. I actually really like that. I'm gonna go in with this gloss now. This is from that collection. I'm just going with the gloss and applying that here. So it doesn't pick up so super pink because for me, I don't look good with pinks. So I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit more of a highlighter. I'm just gonna go in with this one. This is the Carney Diamond highlighter, and it does have a little bit of reflex to it where when you turn, it's a little bit iridescent, but I'm not gonna really put this all over. I'm just gonna put on the little points right here of my cheek. So I'm gonna spritz it with the brush. So pretty, oh my gosh. Just gonna pop into this highlighter one more time and bring it down my nose. So once I've done that, that completes this makeup look using all Too Faced products. Let me know if you guys do want to see one branded type of tutorials like this or just one branded get ready with me's, anything like that. I actually really enjoy doing just a one brand tutorial because I feel like you get to see everything from that brand, at least like from the products I'm using and how they play together. I definitely think this look is perfect for spring. It's a very soft spring look, I feel. So totally nice. And yeah, you guys already know Too Faced bomb.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna have all the products I used in today's video listed down below in the description, so be sure to check there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.